Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see one important update regarding the joint CSIR UGC NET 2021 exam. And before going into this one, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates as immediate notifications to your devices. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the CSIR UGC NET 2021 exam. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so actually the CSIR UGC NET exam will be conducted twice every year, but in the 2020 okay, they conducted only once. Okay, so June 2020 exam was conducted, and it was the last exam, and there is no update regarding the next schedule, that is December 2020, that one. So regarding the next examination of the joint CSIR UGC NET, so here is the Twitter of HRDG CSIR. So in this one, we got one tweet on April 20th, 2021 regarding due to uncertainties posed by the pandemic, the CSIR NET exam is likely to be deferred to at least the middle of the July 2021. So we cannot hold the exam, putting the people at risk. Okay. So it was a tweet given by the HRD CSIR guys. That means they are going to conduct the exam at least in the middle of the July. So if they want to conduct the exam in the middle of the July, means they have to start the application procedure at least 1 month before. So regarding that one, here the so many students are asking that we are agree with this, but at least start the application process and give us some tentative dates so we can adjust and prepare ourselves according to the tentative dates. Okay, so here the so many people are asking at least regarding the tentative dates here. But the candidates who are waiting for the next session of the CSIR NET examination, so it is one update that exam is going to be conducted in the middle of the July as per the present tweet given by the HRD. And if any further updates are there, then definitely I will come up with the one more video recording with that update. But in the official website of the joint CSIR UGC NET in the National Testing Agency, there is no update here mentioned guys. Fine. So share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the CSIR UGC NET exam for the next session or else the next cycle, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide